top headlines for the day.
Are you guys an SRK fan?
Yeah!
Yo!
Big time!
अम्मी जान ने कहा था कोई भी धंधा छोटा नहीं होता और धंधे से बड़ा कोई धर्म नहीं होता.
The trailer of Rais has just released in the morning, as you know. Have you watched it?
Yeah, I just caught it a few minutes ago and it is amazing. It's got poise and drama and thrill and everything.
I'll apply a leave and I'll make sure that I'll watch the movie for the whole day and in the same theater.
Oh my God.
Back to back. And that's actually my plan. I've did that already for Chennai Express.
Yeah.
I went alone. I've watched 4 shows back to back.
Every time it comes on theater, we go. Yeah. Always.
Shah Rukh Khan looks fantastic and I'm just so impressed and I can't wait for the movie. It was one of the very good trailers of SRK movies, yeah.
Of course, like the minute it got released and we were like, okay, fine. We were just waiting for it to come.
Same, we were just waiting for it to come. And now we're waiting for the movie when it's going to release. Yes, I have and I love it. I can't wait. 25th January.
हाँ, आज ही मेरी एग्जाम्स खत्म हुई है और मैं आज ही ट्रेलर देख लिया है और 25 जैन को उसी दिन पे मैं मूवी देखने वाला हूँ.
First day, first show.
First day, first show, of course.
Very impressive, very impressive. Looking forward to see them.
So, if you saw in the trailer, SRK is having a Gujarati Don look. What is your say on that? You like him that way, or do you like that
प्यार भरा romantic सा SRK. I liked it, especially the kajal in his eyes and it was giving him a very rigid look. So yeah, I like it. It was very different, I'd say. And I think people are going to love SRK for this.
He has given totally different look and he's just looking awesome in the movie. I can say that.
He looks extremely hot and Shah Rukh being Shah Rukh can carry out any role. So I'm sure it's going to be a phenomenal movie and a phenomenal role.
Something different what definitely he's not done before. So a new look with a new, gangster look. That's why people will be waiting for Rais more than what they've loved Don.
मियाँ भाई वाला लुक थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, देखने जाना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल लुक बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है मैम उनका. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लुक है और चेंज काफ़ी चेंज है पहले लुक से ना. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना कि हीरो वाला लुक नहीं आ रहा है इसमें उनका. इनका वो ज़बरदस्त लुक आ रहा है जो चाहिए.
जबरदस्त मूवी में बहुत ही अग्रेसिव लग रहा है और ऐसे डॉन टाइप है और ऐसे कोई गुंडा हो ना गली का वैसा लग रहा है.
काफ़ी अलग होगा बिकॉज आई थिंक सो शायद डॉन के बाद ये पहली मूवी है इन विच ही इज अ गैंगस्टर राइट. सो काफ़ी डिफरेंट होनी चाहिए.
और वो बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे हैं एक्टिंग में और पहली बार उनने ये रोल दिया तो फिर उनको बहुत अच्छा सूट भी हो रहा है ये रोल. वरना हमेशा तो वो प्यार के ही रोल करते रहते हैं.
बच्चे लोग को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता है ना प्यार के. कुछ थोड़ी फाइटिंग होनी चाहिए, थोड़ा एक्शन होना चाहिए तो मजा भी है देखने में. हीरो लोग कैसे लगते हैं और विलन को थोड़ी पिटाई भी मिलती है.
अरे वाह. And which look of gangster do you like, the Don 2 or the Rais one?
Don look actually. Don.
Rais SRK, any day, Rais SRK.
SRK of Don there.
The Indian one.
Indian one?
Yeah.
Yeah, why do you
He looks more, I don't know. He's SRK, so something different has to happen.
More raw and desi, so yeah, something that's interesting.
दोनों को कंपेयर नहीं किया जा सकता बिकॉज दैट वाज मोर ऑफ अ स्टाइलिश डॉन एंड रईस इज फुल मवाली एंड या सो आई लाइक दिस मवाली वन मोर.
Rais actually. It's different.
मुझे दोनों अच्छा लगता है. दोनों
मतलब SRK से इतना प्यार है कि SRK कोई भी रोल करे तो चल जाएगा. SRK है ना.
यस.
आपको
रईस वाला क्योंकि उसमें एकदम हटके दिखा है उनको और फिर उनकी फाइटिंग भी मस्त है उसमें और थोड़ा गुजराती फंडा डाला है तो और भी अच्छा लग रहा है उसमें.
अरे वाह.
रईस वन वाला ज़्यादा इम्प्रेसिव है. क्योंकि ट्रेलर देखने के बाद ऐसा लगा कि थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है दोनों में.
Anything that you would like to dedicate for SRK? Any dialogue again or any dance or any कोई गाना आप गा लो SRK के लिए?
कौन कम वक्त बर्दाश्त करने को पीता है. हम तो पीते हैं कि यहाँ बैठ सके, तुम्हें देख सके, तुम्हें बर्दाश्त कर सके, बेहोश हो सके, पारों को भुला सके, मगर चंद्रमुखी कम वक्त पारों की एक याद है जो हमें होश भी खोने नहीं देती.
जो तेरा हाय फैन हो गया तुझे देख के ही दिल में धड़धड़ान हो गया. Okay, thank you so much. And one more question.
कुछ कुछ होता है SRK, तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Thank you so much.
एक दिन रात सिमरन वाला सीन हो जाए बस. That is all I want.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी मोटी बातें होती रहती है सेनोरिटा.
ये 70 मिनट आपसे कोई नहीं छीन सकता. ये 70 मिनट में आपको बताना है कि आप में कितना जोश है.
बनिए का दिमाग और मियां भाई की डायरेक्ट. अपना टाइम शुरू.
Thank you so much. Salman Khan's Tube Light has already created a hype for obvious reasons. Fans of the Bhai are impatient to see how their favorite superstar fares in this historic war saga featuring Salman and Chinese actress Zhu Zhu. Earlier, we had also shown you glimpses of the grand set at Manali, and now it seems that a fan has designed a poster of the film and floated it as official. On confirmation, we got to know that though it was touted to be original, it was in fact the artwork of a fervent die-hard fan. Well, it sure does look promising though. We wonder if the artwork of a fan can be so compelling. How much intrigue the original poster would garner. Salman's Tube Light is all set to release on Eid 2017, and we wish the Bhai good luck for the success. Meanwhile, do take a look at the fan-made poster and share your feedback in the comments below. Superstars have time and again played negative roles at some point in their career and carried it out with conviction. Take the example of Big B Amitabh Bachchan, who essayed a negative role in Agnipath and Dawn. As time passed, another action hero, Ajay Devgan, son of action director Veeru Devgan, too followed the footsteps of senior Bachchan and played Dawn in Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, a film loosely inspired by the story of real-life Dawn, Haji Mastan Mirza. The king of romance, Shah Rukh too has stepped into Baddie's role more than once with films like Dar, Dawn and the upcoming movie Rais. Professional to the core, Amitabh, Ajay and Shah Rukh played their roles to the hilt and have eternalized their characters in these evergreen films. Which Dawn do you like the best? Amitabh, Ajay or Shah Rukh? Do cast your votes in the comment section. Yes, Katrina is family for Arpita's Salman's sister, Wo, and we are loving this. Didn't we see a sad cash rush to Salman to help when she faced the toughest breakup of the year with Ranbir Kapoor? And now that Ranbir has seemingly moved on, where does Kat find solace? In her family in Mumbai with Salman's sister. In the recently held Manish Malhotra party where he turned 50, we did share with you pictures from there and they are still pouring in. The most striking one was seeing Ash and Kat in the same frame. Whoa! That makes it two of Salman's exes together. Seems to be a season of exes bonding. What say? As for Kat, well, if Arpita has labelled her picture with Kat as La Familia, it goes to say a lot. Meanwhile, we wonder, where is Lulia in all this hula balu? Hehehe, just a thought. Anyway, how do you feel watching these girls bonding? Rani Mukherjee, the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai girl who went on to become a great actress, gave birth to Adira Chopra a year back. Married to Aditya Chopra, Rani indeed has contributed the greatest works, the main being Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So what does this beautiful bong actress do when her daughter turns 1 today? Well, firstly, she shared the first picture of her cute baby on social media and also left a letter for her on the dot at 12 midnight. Isn't that a lovely way to usher in your child's birthday? Well, it also reminds us of the flick Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where Rani plays little Anjali's mother and writes a letter for her every birthday. Later on, these letters are the climax of the film. Isn't it so amazing that Rani does something so similar in real life? Well, after all, real and real life do have some connections, and Rani only has emoted her overwhelming feelings of being a mother, which indeed is a wonderful feeling. Henna? Aamir Khan would be appearing on the season 5 of the very famous Coffee with Karan, and here is something that is sure to give you happiness always. For it was in season 4 that Aamir appeared for the first time on the famous Karan show. However, that time he came with Kiran Rao. This time he is appearing solo and perhaps would have the Dangal sisters. Aamir would soon be coming out with his biopic on the famed Indian wrestler Mahavir Phogat, and we are keen to know more about what he would be doing on the show and while answering Karan's rapid fire round. Aamir's humor is well known and we are only wondering if he would try to be perfect in that too. It was wonderful having him as PK, but now it is time for wrestling and Aamir on the coffee show. How are you feeling having to watch Aamir again?
Top headlines for the day.